Hey, officer.
Yes, officer.
How is that first strength?
Let's ask Early. Hey, Early, how's that first strength? See that? Not bad.
Hey, what do you mean not bad?
Because Early here can do better than that.
Wow, we love to see that, officer.
Okay, Early, show these folks how strong you really are. Another drum roll, please.